Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, Lennon Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This ship from Cape Coral, Florida. Oh, I wish I lived in Cape Coral, Florida. All the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. This is something I purchased off the seller off eBay, and it's been a minute, so I can't really remember. In the meantime, thanks for watching my videos. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at Lennon Hawthorne, or just subscribe and to my channel and check out my other thousands and thousands of videos. If you are inclined for cool t-shirts, you can go to riptapparel.com. That's rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username as your coupon code, London Hawthorne, and you'll save some money off of your shirt order. So right here, I have some wrestling figures. I collect wrestling figures and I flip them, I sell them. So first up, we have a loose Chyna figure. Rest in peace. We have a loose Triple H figure. Time to play the game. We've got a loose Vince McMahon as a WWE referee wearing a tank top ref jersey. We have Bendham's Chyna. We have another Triple H loose figure, a different one, of course. And I believe this is Christian. This is a loose Christian figure. And now we have the sealed one. Try not to damage this. This is a Too Tough Series 1. This is Chyna and Triple H. Some of the other figures that they're recommending are the Stomp line, the Slammers line, and the Too Tough line. So I'll let you take a look. As always, if you want to make an offer on this, I'm willing to sell it. Leave a comment below, and what are some of your favorite wrestling figures in your collection? Leave a comment. I wish you the best. I love wrestling of all kinds. I watch WWE, I watch AEW, ROH, New Japan, All Japan, you name it, I enjoy it. Chikara. Leave a comment. Let me know what are some of your favorite matches. I wish you the best and have a great day.